Alright, so there doesn't appear to be any path into the park this way. And it has man, that's strange they'd lock that. Alright, I woke up around midnight with my heart racing, my heart beating kind of hard, and I think it's because of the fires. There's a lot of smoke in the air, still enough to cause heart problems. Now it's just a park for bums. Gotta admit, I'm really bothered by this whole fire problem because I want to bicycle, but this smoky air has really affected my heart. Last night I woke up with a racing heart, and I know it was from breathing in all that smoke. My nose feels just slightly crusty, dry. The sun is red, so it's evidence that the smoke is still pretty hazy. I was deciding, should I go up to the source of the fire, Santa Rosa? 32 miles away, but I just watched some video of a guy bicycling through the fires, and I don't think I could do any better getting footage that way. I don't see any other advantage of going over there if there's already people doing the same thing as me, bicycling through and recording. So I'm kind of torn right now on what I want to do. I just don't want to bicycle in this nasty air. It's all hazy. There's places I'd like to check out, but I don't want to work up an aerobic workout and just breathe in more of this crappy air. Do I go east? There's fires in the Napa region as well. There's separate fires. So I don't know if I'll get much relief from the smoke just straight going east. But I mean, you gotta try something, maybe? Wait it. But then again, I could also wait it out too. How long is it gonna be? Will the winds pick up to their 50, 60 mile an hour gusts again? It's hard to say. Yeah, it's just slightly hard enough to breathe for it to be annoying here. I think that I should just probably move on to where I want to go. It probably will be some relief. I don't need to go directly to the fire. I see on video, so getting away from it is actually more what I'm interested in doing. Maybe I'll stay till the library opens here, and do just a little bit more research, but probably drive east. Just do it. As much as I'd like to explore this area, I don't want to stick around. I don't want to have to wait. Oh, I see what happened. Okay. There's this attractive girl, she was like a bum, but she had slender legs and an attractive, youthful-looking face, and she was carrying some weird objects. It makes sense now why she was carrying what she did. Just by looking at this guy. People dropped off some weird stuff at that donation place. It's more than just clothes and shoes. And then she went down this street and use the bathroom, which I was parked next to at the time. These bums make daily stops at that donation place. And dumping is kind of a problem here. I'm sure this can't pick up very well on the video, but the haze has increased. And I am under no obligation to stick around here and deal with this.
I'll communicate with him via text and find out.
Hi. Alright, so there's not much to this town. But it does seem to get a fair amount of traffic. There's supposed to be a point not far from here where you can see shipwrecks. Oh, I think I see it. Alright, it's just one ship. Deal with it. I think it's so you don't just walk onto their property, but you can walk around it, I'm guessing. So they got a ship here that, oh, they got railroad track. What's the deal with this? Some kind of air pump? Alright, this might be a higher tide. I bet I should be able to walk out there on low tide, but not at this time. Yeah, it's